Hello French learners! Today we will talk about easy ways to form plural French nouns. Knowing how to form plural nouns in French is the best way to better understand the meaning of a sentence or text and to use vocabulary both in writing and orally. If you don't know how to put nouns in the plural, it can lead to a misunderstanding of what other people are asking or wanting. It will also give you more confidence when you speak and write. You will see that it's quite simple, but there are few rules to apply and learn by heart. Here are the basics rules. In general, in French, all you need to do is add an S to the singular form. I will give you a few examples here. Le chat, a cat. Les chats, the cats. So, les chats, we put a S after le, and S after chat. Le sac, a bag. Les sacs, bags. Le livre, a book. Les livres, the books. Une carotte, a carrot. Les carottes, the carrot, the carrots. Un homme, a man. Les hommes, the men. Une femme, a woman. Les femmes, the woman. Un oiseau, a bird. Les oiseaux, the birds. The exception, because of course there are some. So here I'm going to give you the exceptions and tell you how to make the endings of plural words. For words ending in S, X, or Z, these words do not change in their plural form. Here are some examples. Un temps, time. Les temps, times. Une fois, once. Les fois, the times. Fils, son. Les fils, sons. Un gaz, a gas. Les gaz, the gases. Un nez, a nose. Les nez, the noses. Now for the nouns ending in AU, so the sound is O, EU, E, or EAU, O, you just have to add X in the plural form. For example, un joyau, a jewel, les joyaux. So, les joyaux, and with a X at the end. Same for the following words. Noyau, a kernel. Les noyaux, the kernels. Esquimau, an Eskimo. Les Esquimaux, the Eskimos. Cheveux, a hair. Les cheveux, the hairs. Un feu, a fire. Les feux, the fires. Un jeu, a game. Les jeux, the games. Neveu, a nephew. Les neveux, the nephews. Une eau, a water. Les eaux, the waters. Beau, beautiful. Beau, beautiful. Une peau, a skin. Les peaux, the skins. Seau, a bucket. Les seaux, the buckets. There are 4 exceptions to this rule. The names landau, brown. Sarro, smoke. Bleu, blue. And pneu, tire. Okay, we had, a S at the end of this word in plural. Nouns ending in al. For example, un cheval, a horse. Les chevaux in plural, the horses. Un journal, a newspaper. Des journaux, the newspaper, so ending in AUX. Un mal, an ache, les maux, the aches. Un idéal, an ideal, des idéaux, the ideals. Several nouns are exceptions to this rule, including aval, which means downstream, bal or ball, carnaval, carnival, chacal, jackal, festival, recital, recital, and régal for treat, to which an S is added. Now, let's talk about nouns ending in I, A-I-L. To form the plural of nouns ending in I, add an S at the end of the singular nouns. For example, un détail, des détails. Un éventail, des éventails. Un portail, des portails. All are ending with an S in the plural form. A few nouns are exceptions to this rule, so you need to learn them by heart. There is no other choice. You have bail, corail, émail, fermail, gémail, soupirail, travail, ventail, et vitrail, whose ending must be replaced by AUX at the plural form. Sobail is Lizzie's, corail, corals, émail, enamels, fermail, fermo. It's a kind of lock to close a book, but there is no translation in English. Gémail, gémeaux, a technique of stained glass which does not have translation also in English. Soupirail, window wells, travail, work, ventail, casements, vitrail, stained glass. Now, how do EUIL nouns end in the plural? Simply add an S to the plural form. For example, accueil, accueil in the plural form ending with the S at the end. Accueil means welcome. Orgueil, orgueil, pride. Recueil, recueil, collection. Écueil, écueil in the plural form, or pitfall. Cercueil, cercueil at the plural form ending with a head. Casket. For nouns now ending in ou, o-u, the form to form the plural of noun ending in ou, add an S at the end of the singular noun. Un fou, des fous. But 7 nouns are exception to this rule. Bijou, jewel, caillou, stone, chou, cabbage, genou, nid, hibou, all, joujou, toy, and pou, loose, to which an X is added. These nouns add S in the plural form. For example, le clou, the nail, becomes les clous, the nails. Bisou, for a kiss, bisou with an S at the end at the plural form. Clou, same, the nails, ending with the S at the end at the plural form. Écrou, écrou. Filou, filou, for rug. Flou, flou, for blur. Mou, mou, for soft. It's important to note that the plural form of a noun can also change depending on the gender of the noun, whether it is masculine or feminine. I will explain it on the next podcast. It's already a lot for today. And you will also find the transcript below the podcast and the drills to make you more fluent and understand more the form of plural nouns in French. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I will be able to answer them. If you want more tips, more drills on how to learn French quickly, sign up for my free newsletter and receive 4 freebies. It's just here in the link in the transcription. So, à bientôt. Bye bye. Take care.